Presets are a great way to quickly set your tone and style of writing. In your settings, under the Presets tab, you can create as many as you'd like. There are several options to add, but only the first two are required: Act Like and Persona/Style. The Act Like drop-down menu presents a number of writing professions and genres. Once you choose a type of writing, like YouTuber, the second drop-down, Persona/Style, will have a number of authors you can choose from. Next is the Target Market, which is who you are marketing to. This field should be something broad and simple. For example, digital marketers or high school teachers. You'll want to get more specific in the Avatar field by specifying subsets of your audience, like technophobes, entrepreneurs, Gen Z, or Gen X. Choose a reading level for your text output and then set some rules. Your rules can be anything you want to ensure in your text style, such as never mention this other product. When you're done with all of the fields, click Save. When creating and managing a project, you will be able to not only select your preset, but customize it even further, changing it to whatever you may need in that moment.